Right, and we've got all these automatic protections working in our body all the time. Like if I have neck restriction and my vertebral artery is a little bit vulnerable to big sudden stretches, my whole intelligent neuromotor system is going to limit me, prevent me from injuring it. So when I go to turn to look, you know, behind me in the car, all these other muscles will tighten up so that I'm actually not stretching that thing. Right? I'm not putting it at risk. And it will manifest as I'm tight, I'm stiff. You know, my neck is stiff, I can't turn. And it's just your intelligent protection system going, you know, we've got vasculature there that we're not going to trust you to stretch in a very big sudden way just because you want to see behind you parking. Right? So a lot of things will stiffen up and protect. Yeah.